When you first open Secure AI, you'll see 4 tabs. The first tab is the chat tab. This tracks your chat history. You can start a new chat and ask a question. I've asked a specific question about a product that the AI doesn't know about. In order to help it answer that question, I'll move to the second tab and pull in some product documentation from my own documents. I'm going to create a database here. Once I hit enter, I'll have the opportunity to add files. These files will get indexed into a database, and then I can ask the question again using information from the documents. Now the AI gives me a specific response that's based on the information in these documents, and I can cross-reference it with this reference dropdown to see the information that was pulled by the AI to answer my question. Let's use this to generate a proposal. The third tab here is the proposal tab. I can click on this button to generate a new proposal and walk through the proposal wizard. The first tab is the topic. Hover over this info icon to get a description of what this tab is intended for. I'll pull in a description of the topic from the government solicitation, and this text box should auto-populate with that description. The next tab is the approach. Again, the info icon gives you more information here about what is intended for the approach tab. I'm going to select a document that briefly describes my company's approach to this solicitation. This is like an abstract for the solicitation. The next tab is the template. This is the format of the proposal with the instructions. Again, the info icon will help you understand what's intended for the template. I'm going to pull in a document that contains the template. Template gets auto-populated here, and you may notice these pound symbols represent markdown codes for headings. This is actually important because these headings get translated over into this outline. This is my proposal outline. It's based on the headings here. Finally, this database tab, I want to select the database that I just created, Raven Documents, and now I have these documents loaded in and the AI can pull from these documents. So finally, in the proposal tab, I can click generate, and this will attempt to generate a complete draft of the proposal. All right, that took a couple minutes, but now I have a complete first draft of the proposal, and it should be consistent with the instructions that I uploaded here to the template. So the first section on air vehicle description, I have that here with some subsections on the performance for the aircraft and sensor. Second section on command and control. It generated subsections for each of the content specified here in those instructions. Now suppose I want to be more detailed here. There's a more detailed approach where I can generate sections one at a time, and that often gives more specific content. So if I want to just work on the first section in more detail, I'm going to click this button here, inject it into my prompt, and now I have the instructions for that in my prompt, and I've got my database documents selected. I'll go ahead and generate this section again, Here I can get a more detailed view of the reference information that was pulled by the AI to generate this section. And I think I like this a little bit better, so I'll go ahead and replace this first section with this one using the replace button. So here, this just injected this section on top of the previous one and updated it.